Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with another update to the winning open wheel racer. So kind of as predicted in the last video, I didn't get it finished this week, but I think I got over the last of the big hurdles and now I'm on to detail stuff. So, taking a look at where things are right now, I smoothed out the color transition, got the decal work started on this side of the car. The other side, not done yet, but for this side, I've got the main black and yellow, and I got the number 3. And I've got the main body pieces all assembled. And part of that is I had to get the interior finalized. And you see I've got that little filler piece in behind the seat, along with the new roll bar. Because I ended up breaking the kit supplied roll bar, so I just taped it down and used that as a template and made a new one out of metal. Figured this one isn't going to break on me. Had to do a little bit of adjustment on the intake and exhaust manifolds to get them to clear all the fairings. Those look okay now. And got a little bit of paint on that suspension fairing, and now that I've got the body on, I can put together the rest of the suspension. Also put the decal on this side of the nose, got a little paint on it as well, and you can see it's actually starting to look like something. And at the other end, got to give props to Replicas and Miniatures. They've got the 2 notches that fit those 2 little tabs on the bottom of the frame, and they actually line up exactly as you hope they would. So that's how that all looks, and you can see how the intake and exhaust have to fit around that. Now these things have been kind of a pain in the neck to get fit. I finally got it so it's pretty close, but it did not want to fit together with everything, and I think that's just a product of how complex the body is. The other side was actually a little more of a problem, as I had to readjust the intake manifold there, but after a bit, I was able to get everything so that it lines up pretty good, and once it's glued together, it'll look even better. So that's where things stand now. Like I said, I think trying to get everything adjusted and finally fit together was the biggest hurdle that I still needed to get past. But now that that's done, it's detail work. I got the rest of the decals, I got the suspension, the windshield, a few little odds and ends, but should not be a problem getting this wrapped up. So I'm hoping to have the final update next week. You can check back then, and thanks for watching.